Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the chapter Minerals and Power Resources. In previous video I explained you about conventional power resources, in which coal and petroleum. When I explained you about coal occurs between the layers of sedimentary rocks. It has four varieties, that is anthracites, bituminous, lignite and peat. The world's largest coal reserves are in Russia, and in petroleum it is a fossil fuel. Petroleum is contributed to industrial development in the world. About 2/3 of the total reserves of petroleum are located around the Persian Gulf in Southwest Asia. Now, today I will explain you about natural gas. What is a natural gas? It is a mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons, mainly methane. Other gases is also there, that is ethane, propane and butane. Natural gas is also used as a transport fuel. Nowadays we are using CNG vehicles, that is compressed natural gas, as well as domestic fuel LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and for generating electricity also. It is also used as raw material for the manufacture of fertilizers and petrochemicals like plastics, synthetics, rubber and artificial fibers. The USA has the world's largest reserve of natural gas. Other countries are also producer, that is Germany, China, Iran, Mexico and India. Now, next topic, hydropower. Now, what is hydropower? Hydroelectricity is generated from the force of falling water, which is used to rotate the turbines in a hydropower station. Water is a renewable resources and is generated for hydroelectricity. It does not cause any pollution. It is also cheapest source of water. Now, what are the conditions required for the development of hydropower? The river should be fast flowing, or water falls from height should be just like in the case of waterfall. The river should have a large volume of water. Rainfall should be heavy and uniformly distributed throughout the year, so that water is filled and they can use that water whole year. North America, Europe, Japan have about 1/3 of total hydroelectricity power production. Now, the USA, the world's leading producer of hydroelectric power. Canada, Russia, other countries are major producers of hydropower. Now, next topic, that is non-conventional sources. What is non-conventional sources of power? These sources are new sources which are being used today. They do not depend upon fossil fuels and are inexhaustible. They are also known as alternative sources of power. They are also known as renewable resources. Example, solar wind, wind energy, tidal energy. So these are the sources that non-conventional sources of power used. Today I will explain you two topics, that is solar power and wind power. Now, what is solar energy? The energy produced through the sunlight is called solar energy. The sun energy is in huge amount and it is used in many countries for domestic, cooking and heating purpose. Large scale use of solar energy is used in fully developed country. The tropical countries receive huge amount of sunshine and have potential to develop solar powers. Now, wind energy. Wind power has been controlled for centuries to start mills and pumps and to navigate ships. Nowadays, it is used to generate electricity, but it is not very efficient as is wind too variable in speed. Always wind speed is different. It never moves at one speed. So it depends upon the direction and time. Netherlands is famous for its windmill. Wind farms are mostly found in coastal and hilly areas. In India, some wind farms have been developed in the Tamil Nadu and along the coast in Gujarat. Now you have to write question and answers in your fair copy. How hydropower work? Explain about natural gas,